and the representative of our Honorable Mayor. Please may we invite to the stage Ms. Torema, please. Ma'am Tori Mocha, our representative from the Honorable J. Sensoria Kayasya. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Mayong punta ka natong tanan. It is really an honor and privilege for me to be here with you today to deliver the message of our Honorable Mayor Jane Sensoria Kayasya. Though she is not with us today because of very equally prior commitments that she had. But she's sending her warmest greetings to all of you and her unwavering support, especially to this very important and meaningful occasion. Allow me then to say my respect to Senator Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Robin C. Padilla, ably represented by Ma'am Samira Buro, to our full Governor, Honorable Aristotol C. Aumentado, ably represented by his State Assistant, Sir Oscar Francisco, Regional Community Affairs Division, Police Colonel Kimberly E. Munitas, Bohol Provincial Police Officer, Provincial Director, Police Colonel Arnel Balaga Banzon, ably represented by Police Lieutenant Colonel Chimar F. Bonilla, Regional and NCMF Cebu Haji Abdul Rahim Onassis Vault, Director 702 CDGRA Colonel Edwin M. Paredes, SPOC 7 President Police Brigadier General Jonas Kalin M. Iho, SPOC National President Engineer Yusuf Makapada, SPOC National Spokesperson Sheikh Kamar bin Yaqub Sabdulia, NP Imam Council of the Philippines, Brigadier General Imam Ebra Mosque, PNP Chaplain Muslim Affairs, Police Colonel Zainal Abiden Esmail, Provincial Jail Administrator, Chief Jail Superintendent Raylan P. Torion, City Fire Marshal Mariel Puno, to our policemen and women and all of us here again, Maayong Buntag. Allow me then to read the message of Mayor Jane. Mayor Jane says, it's truly a joy for us to host this year's SPOG National Summit. As mayor and more importantly as a fellow Filipino who believes in unity and justice, I am deeply honored to stand with you in this mission of building trust between our police forces and communities they serve, especially our Muslim brothers and sisters. SPAG's work reminds us that peace isn't just the absence of conflict. It's the presence of understanding, of dialogue, of mutual respect. All these things do not happen by accident. They happen when people like you come together with open minds and brave hearts. Here in Tagbilaran, we take pride in being a city that values friendship, inclusion, and in faith in one another. So as we gather, share stories, and shape strategies for the future, know that you are in a place that shares your vision of harmony. Not just in policy, but every day in life. May this summit inspire not only new ideas, but deeper connections. May it remind us that safety and peace are strongest when built hand in hand, with compassion and cooperation at the center. Thank you, Kaayo, for the work that you do, and most of all, thank you for reminding us that true peace, salam, begins with people coming together. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Welcome to Tagbilaran City, and as we say here in Tagbilaran City, Ascenso Pamor. Thank you, and may the Anna continue to bless us.